In this video, you will learn how to fix PayPal will not let me send Bitcoin. Verify your PayPal account. Make sure your PayPal account is fully verified. This includes confirming your email, phone number, and uploading a valid photo ID. Check your account balance. Ensure your PayPal balance is not negative. Even a small negative balance can prevent crypto transfers. Wait 48 to 72 hours after buying crypto. PayPal often puts a temporary hold on new crypto purchases. This usually clears within 2 to 3 days. Use a desktop browser. If you're using the mobile app, switch to desktop version of PayPal, then clear your browser cache and cookies before trying again. Try a smaller test transfer. Start by sending a small amount of Bitcoin. If that worked, gradually increase the transfer size. Retry or contact PayPal support. If it still doesn't work, after trying the above, wait another day and try again. If your problems continue, contact PayPal crypto support for help. Now you know how to fix PayPal will not let me send Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.